I'm Valerie, and this is Sadie, my 11-year-old adventure cat. We have been living and traveling the country for the past 2 years in this van. It's been the most incredible, wild experience. Meeting amazing friends as we go. We are currently heading north for the summer.
We're going to California!
Making some stops along the way. In today's adventure, we check out some cool dinosaur bones and relax in some beautiful free campsites out in the wild. Okay, we made it to Dinosaur National Monument. It straddles the Utah and Colorado border. We are on the Utah side, and it looks like we came in the right place because Sadie, you're gonna get right in the way. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. Muffin. Oh, we gotta move, baby. Oh, darling. I know you want to see the dinosaurs, but we can't take you. I'm sorry. You're kind of like a dinosaur. Okay, Muffin. Let's move you. Move your baby. Move your baby. Oh, yes. Okay. Out of this whole national monument, this is the only part with fossils. And that's what we came to first. That was lucky. I mean, the rest of it has cool places like to hike and stuff, I'm sure. But we didn't come for that. We came to see some fossils. So we're at the Quarry Visitor Center. To get to the quarry exhibit hall where the fossils are, you can either take a shuttle or walk a 1.5 mile trail. Of course, we're gonna walk the trail because it's been a few days since we hiked, and I'll take you along. But first we gotta change and get ready for the hike. I'm gonna fill my water bottle up and we're ready to go. We see some petroglyphs. You can see right there. Looks like a dragon or a dinosaur maybe. And there's one up there. We're standing in an ancient riverbed. This river came through here and drowned some dinosaurs and dried up and left all these fossils here, preserved in the sand and rock. Pretty cool. This is a cast that they made of the actual skeleton. That was really cool. I think the reason why they keep the dinosaur bones in the wall so you can see them how they were instead of taking them all the way out is because a lot of them are kind of scattered and detached from the original skeleton. So they're kind of like just a bunch of bones. So even if they take them out, they wouldn't be able to reconstruct it as a full skeleton because they're all over the place. So the person who discovered it, Earl Douglas, he discovered the first bones in 1909. It was his dream for them to stay like that so that people could come and visit them in their original discovery place, their original resting place. So these bones have not moved in 149 million years. Because you know, a lot of dinosaur skeletons you see, they're in a museum like in New York or something, and that's not the original place that they were found. Okay, we're back. So now we're gonna head down south to Moab. We're gonna have to cross into Colorado a little bit and then go back into Utah to Moab. It's Memorial Day weekend and I just don't know how crowded it's gonna be. Today is Thursday, but by the time I get there, I won't be able to like go to the parks until Friday. So I'm just trying to decide what to do. I don't know if I want to go ahead and try to go to the parks now and see how crowded they are, or just wait and maybe edit video all weekend. I know I'm gonna be antsy wanting to get out to the parks. I think I might just try to go, see how it is. Last year I went to Zion and Bryce Canyon, which is on the western side of Utah, and it was Labor Day Monday and I didn't realize it, but that's when I was there. So it was super crowded, like painfully crowded. Wow, it is crowded. And hard to navigate, and it just wasn't very enjoyable because of the crowds. And I imagine this is probably gonna be similar. I am behind on making videos anyway, so maybe I'll just take a little weekend break from traveling and exploring and just crank out some editing for you all. Morning. We found another beautiful place to camp overnight. This one was not on iOverlander. I just found it driving on the way to Moab. The places I did find on iOverlander, they weren't so great. Decided I was going to keep going to Moab and just park in a hotel parking lot or something, even though I didn't want to, because I wasn't having much luck finding a place outside. And I just saw this one, this side road off the side of the road, and it said public land. I think there was a sign saying public land, so I came over here. There's some fire pits and it's absolutely beautiful. The only downside is there's no cell service, and every time Sadie goes outside she gets these little stickers all over her and it drives her crazy. She gets so annoyed with it. She had a fun time exploring this morning. She was climbing all up on those rocks and chasing lizards and having so much fun. And it makes me so happy that she gets to do that. She gets to just be a cat out in nature. But she has the safety of the van to come back to. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the perfect weather and the peace and quiet and solitude, and enjoy not being able to check my phone every 5 seconds. We're gonna be heading into Moab pretty soon. We're like probably an hour away. Sadie, you're gonna get the stickers again. They don't listen. Climbing on those rocks. Little mountain lion. I want to see her jump. And here she comes back with the stickers all over. Yeah, I'm gonna have to peel them all off again. But I'm glad you had fun. This is why I waited for Memorial Day weekend to be over. I'm so happy. We are at a free camp spot. It's just like any other campground. You have bathroom, facilities, but it's free. You don't have to pay for it. All you have to do is fill out a slip, just like you would at any other campground that you pay for. And yeah, there are 15 spots available. I think that's just so nice that they do that. When I came here, I think it was last Friday, there were no spots available. It was completely packed. And today is Tuesday. There's like one person here. I was curious about it. I almost didn't even come up here because you kind of have to like go up on this hill because it was just so full last time. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get a spot. But I didn't know if it was always that full or if it was just Memorial Day weekend, but I guess it's just the holiday weekend. So I'm just gonna go down and fill out our form, our permit, so we can stay here legally. It's about 6 p.m. It is 76 degrees. It feels amazing. Everything is perfect. I'm so happy. So I spent the last few days in Grand Junction, Colorado, which is kind of the nearest big city to Moab. I really just wanted to wait for the holiday crowd to leave Moab and then come and just enjoy the parks without the crowd. I took care of some things. I did an Etsy order. I took quite a few showers, and I edited and uploaded a YouTube video. Got a lot of things done while I was there. So I had a great Memorial Day weekend. This one on here. I'll go ahead and give you a campground tour before the sun goes down. It is so windy. Got some neighbors down there. So here's our lovely camp spot. Fire pit. Picnic table. Stunning views all around. These lovely juniper trees that I personally adore. And if you needed it, there's a bathroom right there. And the spots just keep going down there, that way. I see a new person just pulled in. We don't need the bathroom because we have our own bathroom that we lug along. Nice and chilly. I'm happy to be here. And Sadie's happy to be here. She's so happy. So we left our free camp spot. Sadie's gonna sabotage as usual. Sabotage. Ooh. So we are currently in Canyonlands National Park. We went to Arches first, but there was a big sign saying from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. is reservation only. And we don't have reservations, so we didn't go. I headed straight to Canyonlands, and we're here, and I'm heating up some food now for lunch. We're at the Grand Viewpoint, which is, I guess, where you can see, like, the best view of Canyonlands. And what I've seen so far, it's really cool. So I can't wait to show you all and take you with me.